seen anything smaller than a meter before.
Aww.
That's
Cute.
funny.
How old?
2.
Aww.
How old's yours?
He's about 9 months now.
Wow, he's a tiny little guy.
Yeah, he's pretty much full grown.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, so cute. Hi.
This is what she originally wanted to
Yeah.
get, was a
Oh,
Pomeranian.
really?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's pretty cute what you got though.
Yes, definitely fell in love with him.
Yeah. Very cute. Is it a long hair chihuahua? Is it
Yeah,
like
he's
a-
a long haired chihuahua.
Oh, there's-
He's just the small one of the litter.
yeah, he's tiny.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Leo, you need one of those.
Yeah,
You
he's-
need one of those.
So
Hey, be careful, don't get rough. Not like one of the big dogs.
Because it was these two big dogs.
Yeah.
Black lab and
Yeah, he is too, but I think he's learned to be a bit more gentle. I think he's just a bit fascinated that it's small, isn't it?
something smaller than
Yeah. So that's cool.